Welcome back again. Just a small update. We've now secured the e-stop to the front of the machine, and we're in the process of putting the flexible conduit to the distribution box we made on the back. As you can see, we now have our printed 6-way distribution box now mounted to the Z-axis column, and I'm now going to proceed to put the gland nuts and the flexible conduit to the e-stop to start us off. And there we go, as if by magic, one of the flexible conduits is fastened to the distribution box, and there we are, all wired up and nowhere to go. Apparently we've been let out of customs, and I've got to wait for a letter so I can pay the duty, and then they will finish the delivery. So it's 4 days in the States getting to London, and over a week in London waiting clearance. I can't wait until I get my ball screws. I'm all ready to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.